very simply starting with 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. Small amount, going to give us a lot of butter. No half and half, no milk, doesn't work. So we take the milk. Oh, the cat's coming through. She knows there's butter coming, so she's sort of stalking. So we're going to put the pint of heavy whipping cream into the KitchenAid with the whisk attachment. We're going to lock it down and put it on 3. Some people start with 10, thinking they're cool, but everyone in the house will regret it immediately. So as it gets thick, we're going to raise the speed. As it gets thicker, not going to be splashing everywhere. And we're going to get to a point where it starts to get really thick, but not quite buttery. Maybe like this. At this point, we want to put the magical towel over the KitchenAid because what happens is the butter will start to form and the buttermilk will start to extract itself from the fat and it makes a big fucking mess. So here we see it's almost done. What we want all that butter to be sticking to the whisk. Currently it's not, so we'll put it on 10 and you can see already the milk dripping everywhere, the buttermilk. Well, that's okay. Just cover it. But we don't leave it too long because then it will have a reverse reaction and turn back into a bad liquid. So we take this. Oh, look at that. We take the butter solid off of the whisk and we're going to put in this bowl and we're going to massage it because there's still buttermilk in it. And we need to get all that milk out best we can. Best we can. So we're going to squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And then we're going to take the ice that we had earlier. Maybe I didn't tell you about that. And we're going to get ice water and we're going to fill up about that far. And we're going to massage the butter again. And that's going to bring more of the buttermilk out, which we don't want because if you leave buttermilk in, it will become rancid rather quickly. So we dump out that and we put more in and we massage it some more. And of course, the idea with most of these things is to come to a clear solution. And I think this last one here, so we do it over and over. Last one here, I think comes out really clear, which means most of the buttermilk hopefully is gone from the solid. And then we will take that and we can, at this point, salt it. I'm using the Himalayan sea salt, which is actually from Pakistan, but whatever. And you just don't put it in before. You can't put the salt in the liquid before it's butter. So you put it in there and you basically just knead the salt in to your preference and you can taste it and see, okay, maybe I want more salt, less salt. Uh, then at this point, I just take a piece of plastic wrap and smack that down there and wrap it up so it's pretty airtight. And I generally toss it in the freezer because the stuff lasts forever in the freezer. Or you can take half out and put it in your butter dish and freeze the rest.